phone today, I thought I would check in from Milan. So we are on our last day in Milan. We travel tomorrow to Sicily, and look, I might have been looking for a little pick-me-up, I don't know, but I took my passport out with me today, which meant I was open for a little bit of shopping because you get a good VAT refund if you shop here in Italy. But I thought I would share what I purchased from FENDI on Alessandro. Oh, I can't remember the name. I'll put it down here. But anyway, it is the shopping strip. And I would also show you what I've been carrying in my bag. So both my daily bag, which is at the moment my Prada, when in Italy, and this one I have been alternating with my Valentino camera bag, and I just want to show you what I'm carrying in it and first impressions, and also what I've been carrying in my Neverfull GM whilst I've been flying. Let's have a look at this one quickly first. So it looks like a pretty reasonable sized bag. It is a TARDIS. A TARDIS is a very small building that is what do you call it, like deceptively large inside. That's what this bag is like. So inside the bag, you can see I have it stuffed full. Firstly, this thick canvas strap is fantastic in this warm weather and carrying, there's quite a bit in here. I don't have a scale with me, but there's quite a bit. So first of all, I have a pair of sunglasses in a soft pouch, and they are currently my Fendi lilac frames. These are so fun to wear, and they are really great for a sunny day. I've got a hand sanitizer. I've got my Chanel Color Compact. I have got cash. Funny thing, when Meredith did her recent Louis Vuitton wallet unboxing, I think it was called the Lisa wallet, I was like, oh my God, I've got to get cash for this holiday. And what am I going to put it in? Because I haven't used cash for so long. So I pulled out my little Fendi Monster pouch. So that's what I've been carrying cash around in. I have my Galusha card holder that Connor bought me from Paris, which is just stunning. And it's so good. It's got so many cards in it, and it's just fantastic. So easy to use. I've got my passport, Australia. I have my Tom Ford Indian Rose lipstick, which I love. It's a staple. And I have the Dior Lip Glow in 001. I also have an iPhone lightning cable because I have a portable charger. This one I got from Amazon. It's called a Vic Tomax. It's got 10,000 milliamp hours, and it is fantastic. I can charge both of our phones like 1.5 to 2 times. Got a little pack of tissue here. I've got some dental floss because, you know, you don't want to get floss stuck in your teeth. I've got my AirPod Pros in a little burger case, which I thought was cute. I've got a pen just in cases. And what else do I have? Room card. So that is everything, and that is a lot. Obviously my phone would be in there as well. So really impressed with this as a daily bag. And sometimes Mr. Addiction will give me his passport to carry and his international license and all those sorts of things. So really highly recommend, and it's a perfect cool tone neutral to go with my wardrobe. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you quickly is my GM Neverfull. Now, before I left, I contacted Zoomoni and said, hey, any chance that you guys could make me a zip-up organizer before I leave for my trip? And they're like, yep, we can do that for you. So thank you, Zoomoni. Now, I'll just show you in the top of the bag because I've always been curious about these. So this is it zipped up, but what you can do is you can unzip it, and it's got 2 zips, so you can unzip it at both ends. You can either remove the zippable section because it is stuck on with Velcro, or let me see if I can do this. You can fold it out. And normally my laptop's in here, but I'm uploading my Dubai vlog at the moment. So if you haven't seen that, go look for it because it'll probably come out before this. So you can fold it over. God, I'm not doing a great job of this. And then it's all open for you to see inside. So what have I been carrying around with me? Well, I've been carrying my Air Pro Max, whatever, headphones. Connor recommended these and I have to say, great recommendation, really loved using them. I use them with this little dongle that I purchased off of Amazon so that I can pop this into the aircraft headset hole and Bluetooth it to my speakers so I can use my own headset, which is fantastic. So I keep that in there. I keep a spare phone just in case my phone gets stolen or something. I have a little phone cradle. Again, sometimes you can't, you know, have your you want your phone on your, what do you call it, tray table, and these are really good, lightweight. You can just stick your phone on there and they fold away in your bag really easily. I keep a pair of hotel slippers. Everywhere I go, I just grab a fresh set for planes because I don't want to walk around with socks on. Hair clip, I've got a charger in there. I've got this Louis Vuitton coin pouch, which I have all of my spare headsets. So I've got the plug-in headphones for my iPhone and with the mic jack for my laptop. What else have I got in here? Another pair of sunglasses. I have all my travel documents in here and insurances and things. And then I would just stick my handbag in that empty spot in the middle there. So it has been really helpful. You might have also noticed I've got my luggage tag on there just in case, you know, I might be able to get a stamp on the other side of it. I have this little magnet. I mentioned it in one of my clothing hauls, but I use this. I've got this big pile of stuff in front of me here that I've pulled out to carry my hat. So it holds onto your hat like that. And that has been a really great way of carrying my hat around and having it close handy and not getting crushed. And it really doesn't get in the way. So I thought you might find that a little bit interesting. All right, let's get to the FENDI unboxing. So as I said, I went to the flagship store. I'll pop it here on the screen. And I was looking around and it's so nice to go into a boutique where they actually have all of the new season. And I met this fabulous man who has worked for FENDI since 1997. And anyway, he said, oh, you know, do you like the new collection? I said, yes. He said, which pieces do you like? And I told him that I'd purchased the Galusha Peekaboo. I showed him a photo and he said, oh my goodness, that's an amazing piece. Really special. And I said, yeah, you can't get it until, unless, well, you never used to be able to get it unless you did an MTO. And he said, oh, you know about MTO? And I said, yes, I did one. Anyway, I started showing him my collection. He's like, you must be a VIP at FENDI. And I'm like, no, I'm not a VIP at FENDI. He's like, but you should be. And then he said, you should come back in 2025 for our centenary. And we're doing a 7-story refurb on the store. And anyway, it was lovely to meet him. So what I purchased is not something I would typically purchase, but it was displayed in store and I had never seen it before. I couldn't find it on the website to link it. If I do find it before this video goes live, I will. But inside of this box, hopefully I'll be able to get it in the screen. It is a beautiful, it's me all over and I want to frame it. Hold on, how do I do this? Silk foulard. Look at that. It's got the trunks and the stripes. It's got the fuchsia. It's got the miniature nano peekaboos and baguettes. And it's got this beautiful fuchsia color and it just is so gorgeous. It works in so many aspects. I've never seen one that I loved this much. So I had to get it. So this was like €390 and I expect to get around €48 back on VAT. But just look at these gorgeous little nanos and having them makes it all the more special. So that's my first little piece of shopping. I wasn't going to do any shopping until Rome, but with my puppy dog passing away on Monday, I just really felt like I just wanted some medicine. And although it doesn't heal anything, it certainly does put a smile on my face. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of my foulard. And perhaps next time I talk to you, it will be from I think it'll be the Milan vlog, and then, or Milan Bologna vlog, then it'll be the Sicily vlog, and then I'll pop in from time to time with little bits and pieces. So if you want to see more from my trip, please like this video and subscribe. I would love to get to 10,000 subscribers soon. If you could help me with that, that would be amazing. Until the next one.